Hello everybody who are seeing my video. So myself Samriddhi Tripathi. In this video I will discuss with you about nervous system. So you know that our body is made of many types of several systems. All the systems make an important role in our body. But why the systems are important in our body? Because without the systems our body cannot form in a circular shape, and we cannot pump our heart, like we cannot breathe without respiratory system, we cannot pump our heart like circulatory system, we cannot digest our food from digestive system, etc. So all the systems that are in your body, they play an important role in our life. So today in my topic is about nervous system. It is the one of the most important system in our body. So like take an example of a dog. A dog is barking on you, and suddenly it is you take a stone and you throw in the dog, then that dog will get angry and come towards to you cut. So what you will do? The brain suddenly will give message that that dog is coming towards us for cutting us, biting us, so we should run away. So suddenly we get started run away. Why we get started run away? Because the doggy is coming to bite us. And how it's happened? Because the nervous system where any type of any in everything that are here in our surrounding, that are happening in our surrounding with us, it all gets message to our brain, and brain tell that what is the right thing and what is the wrong thing. So this is the main important role in our brain system, means nervous system. So in the nervous system there are three main things. There are many other types of organs also, but in if your exam is coming, and so the you should write only these three things, because these three things are main in science. So first is brain. You know that what is brain? Brain is the one of the important role play in our nervous system. It gives us message and receive the message to other parts of our body, and also it controls our many reactions like our muscular reactions, bones reactions, happy reaction, and it also take care of other pumping cells like what we are breathing, how we are breathing, how the blood is pumping. This all take care of our brain. It control our full body. So this was the brain. Now the second part is spinal cord. So what is the spinal cord? Spinal cord is a type of a bone that is made from the many small and big bones. It is attached from our skull to inside of our body. So where did this spinal go through, and how much longer it is? I think it is longer. It is 11 feet longer, and also it is not located in our forward. It is located in our back side of our body. So this spinal cord, what is the role of this? So you know that what is the skull. In first video of my YouTube, I have explained you about skull. So that skull maintain the brain to its circulatory part. It should be brain, like just suppose here is your brain and this is your full skull. So if there is not skull, just suppose there is not skull, then what will be happen? The organs cannot be correct place. The all organs will go another places, and the main thing is very important, because if any organs will not give in our place, then our systems also will be like phone. If somebody phone is get power off and it is get starting hang, then why? Like that our body. If our body health is not okay, then our body will get started ill, and it will get started ill, and one day you can also die from it. So only we should take care of our health. So skull. So to hold the skull, the spinal cord the spinal cord attached the skull from the backbone of your, and also the shoulder blades. You can see this, these are the shoulder blades. Your all the ribs, shoulder blades, etc. are attached from the spinal cord, because this is located in the middle of the body, and it connect all the parts of the bones together, like ribs. Ribs are located in chest. So why these ribs are important? Ribs are important to help the lungs and and heart to do not get sick. Like if they, just suppose there is not a rib. So what will be happen if sometimes you will get hurt like this here in the middle? Then without rib, that hurt can be go inside of our body through the lungs and the brain. If it will be more injured, then you can also die, and it will be low injured, then the pain will be get started very high. So so now you know that wow, what is the role of the spinal cord. Next is nerves. So nerves is the one of the important role play. Without nerves, they cannot receive. We cannot receive from the other parts of our body. They are small thread items that are full far in our body. They are all every single part of our body. They are called the nerves. They send whenever any trouble is coming to us, or we are thinking anything, that our brain send message through the nerves. You know, nerves are very important because they receive message. Now you will to me that, ma'am, there is cells. Yeah, there is cells, but what kind of cells are there? Actually, the nerves, inside the nerves, there are neurons. The neurons are the small types of nerves that are very important, because they only the important role play to receive message. Only the nerves take the neurons to hear and close up the neurons, because anyone cannot hurt the neurons. If many neurons will be get hurt, then to receive message will be very important. If there is not neurons, then without neurons we cannot receive message. And nerves also protect the neurons. So neurons. So how the neurons, when the place, every neuron has a little gap between them, among them. Every neuron, like take this, these are the one neuron and this is the second neuron. If they have a little bit space, this space is called Spanish. So what is this space? This space split a liquid. That liquid take the message and throw it to other neuron. Like I am splitting a neuron. Now that empty place was Spanish goes to the other neuron, and that neuron catch that liquid, and other neuron also like this process. So this is the how the receive message from the neurons. And you know about cells, that photo cells, sensitive cells, etc. So these all cells are the end of our skin. You will see that the end neuron has many type. Bundle of the cells are like this are the neurons, and the bundle of the cells are surrounding of them. Why? Because if you are touching a hot thing, that cells will produce liquid to the neurons, and when that new liquid will touch to the neuron will go send message to the other neuron, like this. Other neuron, another neuron, and like this it comes to the brain. but it is not so time. It do not take so time for thinking. You will take, yeah, it takes so much time. No, it is among the light speed. You, if you will see that somebody hot thinking or you, suddenly you will touch your brain. How? Because the speed of our sending message is within the light speed. So now you know what is the nervous system. And if you want to know that what are inside organs of the neurons, then please subscribe my video and like my video for new and more interesting videos. Thank you. Bye bye.